What up? I'm Mr. Ruckman, your unemployed rapper friend, traveling the world at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'm in Sri Lanka today, where the elephants roam pretty freely. Sri Lanka, also pronounced Sri Lanka, is a South Asian island country lying in the Indian Ocean. Today I'm in a town called Kandy. I've decided to do the main touristy thing here you do in Sri Lanka and take this scenic train from Kandy to Ella. This train is famous for influencers hanging out at doors for some reason. I don't really have a plan when I travel, I just play it by ear. I didn't plan enough ahead, so I just got a third-class ticket. So we're going to do the third-class local experience. Alright, I'm not exaggerating, I was standing like this for the next 8 hours. The train ride itself is roughly 7 to 10 hours, depending on delays. It took roughly 10 hours and I was standing for 8 of them. I guess it was busy this day. These local legends were bringing the entertainment though, so big up to them. I'm telling you, this guy here has a pretty hard job. He has to squeeze through all these people daily to sell food. It's pretty hectic. Several hours in, I saw some influencers looking for the right moment to hang their head out of a moving train. There was a few times the locals were telling them to pull themselves back in because poles and trees were flying by. The locals usually aren't really dumb enough to do this because it's very dangerous. So as you can see, the reality is far different than Instagram shows, but everyone should already know that by now. Towards the end of the trip, I finally got close enough to look out the window at some real nice views. Finally got a seat at the 8-hour mark, sitting near the door. I didn't stay there long though, because I'm 6'5" and I almost lost my feet pulling into a station. This guy was a chiller. I gave him a $2 Australian coin as a souvenir. This kid was hell friendly, but he kept asking for the GoPro. I mean, he wasn't going to go anywhere, but still, I was like, I'm going to hold on to this, man.
It's the money shot, my friend.
On that note, I found the Sri Lankan people very, very friendly and hospitable. I know their country has a lot of turmoil and economic issues, so when you walk around, people look a bit angry and mean, but when you say hello to them, they're all very nice and friendly. And there you go, finally made it to Ella. Ella was sick. If you want to see what I got up to there, drop some comments and I'll put some more videos up. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.